In this video, we will see the use of switch case in C. Okay, so switch case is nothing, just it is a selection statement. Okay, we can select multiple options. It is also known as fall through statement. It allows us to execute multiple operations for different possible values of a single variable, right? It is just like a choice. Which choice do you want to interpret? Okay. It is a switch variable. We will create a variable to select our desired option, right? So we will understand it by making a program. First of all, we will create a function hash include stdio.h, right? Preprocess the directives. So here we can write enter a choice to ask the user's choice, right? Which option does he want to select? Declare a variable, name choice or anything you want to ask for, right? So now we will scanf the following variable to ask the value, right? Like what he want to print or enter. What he want to enter to select the particular choice, right? Here we haven't created choices yet, right? We will create it. We will create the choices like case 1, case 2, case 3. So for example, if there are three cases, right? For example, there is a red box, green box and blue box. The person want to select the blue box, so he will choose blue. Okay? This is simply the use of switch case. Skipping the previous two methods, it will directly jump to the case 3. Sorry, is this scanf? So now we will write switch, and in this case option we will write the choice. Open the braces, and here we can create case 1 or any case. Now here we will use colon. Okay, this is colon. And to close the case, we will use break. What will happen if we will not use break? We will also see it further. Okay, first create a case 1. So suppose we have created printf. We will take the option of that boxes only red. Okay, it will print red. Now case 2, it will print suppose green. Okay, case 3, it is blue. And suppose we have created case, not a case, it is actually the default case. So what if we have multiple choices like case 1, 2, 3 until 20 till 30, but the person have selected 50? Okay, suppose the range is out of these switches, as we have here the switches 1, 2, 3 only, right? We have only three cases. Suppose I have selected 4, so this default case will be applied. None of the above, this default case will be printed. printf, and we will not apply any break in default case. Okay, so these are the rules of a switch case. Default, suppose I will write wrong options, okay, or wrong choice, okay, so it will be printed, or you can simply use \n. So it is the end of choice, right? End of main. Let us try to run it. Now we will run the program. So it is asking us the choice, right? There are three cases and one is default. So we will try it again and again. Like suppose I have chosen one, right? Case one. So what it has given me answer, it is red. Means the things or the statements we will write in case one, it will print that one only. Okay. If we choose two, it will give us green. If we choose three, it will give us blue, right? Now, there are no cases of like I have written 20, right? Is there any case? No. So it will give us default case, which is wrong choice. Understood? What will happen if we remove the break? Suppose I will remove this break. Now, option 2, it will give us green and blue all because I have not applied break here. So whichever the option is correct, from here it will give us the answers like this and this and this. So in case 3 we have break. Now we will remove this also. Again 2. See, it is giving us wrong choice even, right? So it is necessary to apply break in choice in switch case, right? So what we have discussed, now we will conclude it. So I am writing it again. तो स्विच केस क्या है हमारा सिलेक्शन स्टेटमेंट होता है राइट दीज आर द सिलेक्शन स्टेटमेंट्स राइट this is the first point, or we can say these are fall through statements because it will jump to the correct choice we have chosen. Statements, right? It allow us to execute multiple operations, okay, for the different possible values of a single variable, right? It is only used for equality. The very main thing of this switch case is it is used for equality only, right? Because whenever the choice is selected or the choice is equal to the choice we have written, so it will check either the two are equal or not. If not, it will reject the particular case, right? It is only used for equality. So each value in a switch case is called a case, and the variable is tested for equality against a list of values. And the very important thing of switch case is the expression used in a switch case must be of integer type, right? this should be of integer type only, or we can write just a char like this only. Okay, then only it will work, otherwise not. So most of the time these letters also make some disturbance, so better to use integers only. Okay, any number of cases can be given followed by value and colon. So it is not necessary we will write only 1, 2 and 3. We can write here 20, 30, 40, any number. Then according to these we will choose our options, or else default will be printed. The case value must be an integer constant. Okay, this same point. No two cases can have similar values. Okay, so what will happen if suppose I have written here case 1, case 2, and again we will write case 1. It will give us error. See, no two cases must be of same name. Case 3, sorry. Okay. In the last, let us discuss just basic differences between if and switch case, right? As we use if also and switch case also. So what is the use? What is the need of switch case? Right? If statement is bidirectional only, right? If part will be executed if the if condition is true, right? Either else will be executed. Whereas switch is multi-directional, we can create multiple options, right? Advantage. Only int and char can be used in switch case, right? As I have told you earlier, case 1 or case A we can only write. If statements are used for both equality and logical expression, right? As we can also write in braces a logical operation like a and this or this. So it will evaluate the whole equation and provide us the answer according to that, right? It will evaluate the values. It will solve the logical operations also. Logical expressions you will write, okay? And it will also check the equality even. But in switch case, only equality is done. Like if case 1 is equal to the choice I have chosen, then only case 1 will be printed, right? If values are based on constraints, whereas switch case are used for user choice. So if values are not like entered, okay, not printed, it is just a expression based. So the value will come from above variables, right? Above constraints as we have declared or initialized. Then only it will be checked. Whereas switch case use the user's choice values, right? Here we are applying our choice value. Like here the value will be entered. Okay. These. So here the values are entered. Suppose I have chosen 2. So okay, this is not chosen. So here it gave us green, right? So these are the basic differences, and one more difference is if it's difficult to edit, right? And in switch case we can directly organize our work, right? So it is a very small example, but suppose for in further lectures we will study what is searching, sorting, right? So here we can make a full chart type structure or for searching, sorting, multiple functions. So in that we will apply different values and things. Okay. So switch case can also be used for just just to give a normal, a clear, simple look to the program, right? As it is just a single statement, but here we can write multiple, a full program we can write in case 1 and name that program, right? This is that program. Okay, so this was the use of switch case. I hope it is very clear understood to you. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box, right? So I will provide you the answers, or any confusion, I will clear the doubts. So thank you for the support and keep supporting me. Thank you and keep watching my videos.